G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Here I am out at Cordeaux Dam with my vintage Panasonic RX3 VHS-C camcorder from the early mid-90s. Thought I'd do a bit of filming out here. I'm out here with my camera club. I'm doing a bit of photography, but I'm also going to do a bit of videography with this camera. So this is Cordeaux Dam. I'm just going to go up Cordeaux Dam and just film around it, film surroundings and stuff like that. So we'll do a bit of a zoom around. What a beautiful sight, isn't it? Alrighty, I'm going to stop camera now and start filming again when I go up the dam. Okay viewers, here I am near the dam. I'm just on the other side before I'd film the slope. So, pity we can't go in there a bit further and get a better view of it because it's fenced off and the like. And of course you're paying big fat fines if you jump the fence. Anyway, so that's the dam slope. Quite a sight. Okay viewers, I'm going to now go along the dam. So here's the entrance, very stylish, looks something Greek-like. Here we are on the dam, on the dam bridge. Dam bridge. Anyway, it's probably going to be about 500 to 1,000 metre walk up this way, maybe less. Oh, that tripped in the gutter. Alright, down below is where the water flow is. Got a interesting arrangement of stairs here. thermal water coming out. And there we got the staircase again. I'll take a few photos of that, that was pretty cool. We're still a couple of 100 metres to go to get to that pylon up there. Okay, I've reached the end of the dam, and the rest of it stretches up to out there. I'm guessing this must be an overflow area. If the dam gets a bit high, it'll just overflow, go down those rocks there. Speaking of those rocks, quite a nice geological sort of terrain. Yeah, there's not really a lot to film around this, around the dam itself. It's mostly just endless bush, but Makes a nice scenery for some photography. And there's the dam looking north. Over there we have some kind of, I don't know, could be coal works or something. Some industrial works up there. It's weird that, you got mostly endless bush and then peeping over it is some industrial works. Yeah, I quite like that geological rocky terrain there. I'll take a few photos of that. Okay, well, not much more to film here. Stay tuned for my next location film on this camera. This is Troy from Choices Your Lights channel, signing out.